Are you still using regular wired headphones? Check out this high-profile Bluetooth headset. Its sound quality is particularly good, using three-dimensional sound design. When listening to music, feel like in the scene, and it also has a built-in high-sensitivity microphone, support hands-free call function, so you answer more easily. It is also an iOS system that allows you to check the remaining power of your headphones at any time, connect two phones at the same time, and automatically cut off the power when fully charged. Extend the service life of headphones. Such a good Bluetooth headset. If you like it, quickly click on the link to buy it.